Have you ever wondered where the idea of biohacking came from? Is it just a new trend, or does it have deeper roots? What if I told you that biohacking connects decades of science, technology, and a rebellious spirit of hacking life itself? Today, we're going on a journey through time to explore the fascinating history and evolution of biohacking, and how you can start your own biohacking journey with simple changes. Ready to dive in? Biohacking's roots go back to the 1960s and 70s, when the do-it-yourself culture exploded in the United States. People were experimenting, sharing ideas freely, and challenging authority, much like the early computer hackers at MIT who called their clever tricks hacks. But biohacking added a twist, hacking biology itself. Did you know that even the discovery of DNA's structure in 1953 laid the groundwork for this movement? How cool is it that we've been biohackers in spirit for decades? In the 1980s and 90s, biohacking began to take shape with do-it-yourself biology, people experimenting with genetic engineering outside traditional labs. Around the same time, neurohacking emerged, focusing on optimizing brain function. Fast forward to the early 2000s, the quantified self movement began with wearable fitness trackers and apps, letting people track their health data like never before. Have you ever tracked your sleep or heart rate? That's part of this evolution. Over the last 2 decades, biohacking has exploded from a niche community into a global movement. Entrepreneurs like Dave Asprey popularized biohacking with practices like intermittent fasting, nootropics, and cold therapy. Even celebrities and tech leaders have jumped on board, making biohacking mainstream. Have you heard of Bulletproof Coffee or seen the Biohacker Summit? These are signs that biohacking is here to stay. Today, biohacking is evolving faster than ever with gene editing, personalized medicine, and brain stimulation technologies. But with all this power comes questions. How far should we go? What are the risks? And how can you start biohacking safely and simply? What small step could you take today to begin optimizing your own biology? If you're new to biohacking, here are some simple changes to get started. Track your sleep or activity with a smartphone app. Try intermittent fasting or improve your hydration. Practice mindfulness or deep breathing to reduce stress. Which of these sounds easiest to try first? Remember, biohacking is about experimenting and finding what works best. So are you ready to join the long tradition of biohackers and start your own journey of self-optimization? What's one biohack you want to try this week? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more beginner-friendly biohacking tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Let's hack life together.